if the shop doesn't even really understand, like, what is the shop's role? If they're not understanding what their role is, if they're not understanding what the process is, how do they kind of coach the customer through it? Like, at least having a general understanding.
Yeah, I mean, the shops definitely need to. I mean, I tell people all the time whenever they're considering it. Obviously, I give them my contact information, and I'm like, give me a call. Let's, we'll sit down and talk about it. I'll share everything I know about the process to make sure it's something that you want to be involved in.
Right.
Because there's just so many considerations. I mean, as a shop, cash flow is a huge one that not a lot of them think about. I mean, a lot of them want to do their initial estimate, and then when it comes back 10 grand deficient, they immediately want to, tell the consumer that maybe they should look into rights of appraisal.
Welcome to Body Bangin', your podcast for all things body. Auto body, that is.